Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 9th of June 2014 market review. As you can see, the trade of today will be Tiger Brands. We're looking at Tiger Brands. TB is the code. Last traded price is 302.92 cents, and the action is actually traded from a high to a low. So, looking at this part here, that's the entry level to trade it downwards physically. Entry level will be 301 rand 14 cents, and the target on this trade will be approximately about 285 rand 94. That's on the green line here. Please use the stop loss of 308 rand 49 should the share wants to bounce up and break the previous two highs there. Another trade on the market news is Redefine Properties, code RDF. Last traded price 962. Opportunity to buy from the bottom to the top, call it a long. Entry level of 9.66. Target price 10.27, and the stop loss 9.35. As you can see, this is the current open positions. Only two is Vodacom and African Rainbow Minerals. Vodacom is still 3% up in the trade, and African Rainbow Minerals is quite flat at this moment. Please take note of these entry levels, stop loss levels, the targets, and the last traded price to give you indication where it's standing. Example, Vodacom, entry price was 131, we're playing from a high to a low, currently trading at 127, and your target will be on the stop loss side, most probably 124. These are all exit trades. Investec, Standard Bank and Remgro. Top 40 shares. Green is the resistance, support. Red is the resistance. You can see the top 40, the blue line. Index is still trading the upward channel. Let's go look at the industrials, the Dow Jones, how they fared on Friday afternoon. They actually closed on a new high of 0.5% high for Friday after the non-payroll figures, creating almost 217,000 jobs. Market liked it, broke the new high. This was Thursday's close of 16,836. They're currently trading on 16,924 points. Much higher on the top here. Still in an upward cycle, as you can see. Broke this resistance line and just went upwards. So a lot of positive news came out there on Friday. Looking at the top 40 shares, also going a bit, gaining a bit here, as you can see. Look at the red and green line. There's a support, that's resistance, getting smaller, smaller, and smaller, and it's like getting like a cone here. We call it a wedge. It's showing a bit of uncertainty in the market and the movement that's currently happening. We've got two things that's important. The mining data is coming through, indicating us how the mining sector fared, and if they're going to put us in a recession. Reserve Bank is saying we will not go into recession. And then we've got the rating companies, Standard & Poor's, Fitch. They will also bring out ratings about our economy and where they see our economy is going. And the market is quite afraid at this moment that the rating will be downgraded. That means that it can actually have an impact on our markets in the short term. So this week is going to be quite hectic with data coming out on South Africa regards to the mining and where they're going to see us grow in the future. Shares to watch, Shoprite. Still in the downward channel, broke the green line as expected. Next low is 156.48. Currently trading at 159.50. And look at this beautiful channel still forming here. You need to be very patient with these kind of shares in the short term especially. Let's go and look at Woolies. Now, I'm indicating you this is a downward channel, sideways channel, upward channel. Sideways channel on the top, coming down, going up. Now the big question is, it's currently trading with this between these two black lines here. This is now similar to this one here. Low, high, low, high, low. Now the big question is, will you break the 77.60 and go higher, or will you break 73.19 and go lower? So the market will could be quite anticipated today, the next 2 days. So let's see where this will take us. From 75 to 77, not a big range. but previous highs were tested there as well as there and there as well. So let's see where this specific share will go in the short term. Keep a close eye on this trade. Let's go to Barclays Bank. As you can see, Barclays Bank actually broke this new high here, and the previous high, sorry, and then now it's actually breaking to the 160, 161 level here. So there could be interpretation this one could come a bit down or start breaking back and testing the next high of 165 after breaking the 160 level. Capitec, still hammering you on the 220 levels. 219 was the low, came down to 1820. Let's see where it can still go and continue, but it still shows 216.50, 216.50 could be the next low on the specific share. CFR, I'm keeping a track on the share, quite topish here. There's a bit of a band going up here. Big question if it can break 109, could the next low be back on to 103? Keep it close on this trade as well. And the other one I'm currently tracking in the short term is Barloworld. As you can see, a red channel going down. There's a low, high. This low here, big question. If it breaks this high here, we'll go back to the 105.82. If it doesn't break this high here and it breaks this low here at 102 Rand, definitely go back to 99 Rand in this downward channel. So 105.82 is very important to watch, as well as about the 100 Rand level is also very important to watch. In each stage, if it breaks to 100, 99, and much lower, we'll be back on the table. Enjoy trading.